Hello, dear followers. I'm Yogi Victor Faisca. I'm an honor to guide you through this beginner yoga class from the comfort of your own home. Whether you are new to yoga or looking to refresh your practice, this session is designed to help you find peace, flexibility, and strength.
Let's begin by setting an intention for our practice today. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and exhale slowly. Think about what you need most right now. Maybe it's relaxation, maybe it's energy. Hold that intention in your heart. We'll start with Baddha Konasana or butterfly pose. Sit in a comfortable position, joining the soles of our feet together. Keep your back straight while you are breathing in and out. Start moving your knees, simulating the butterfly flight. Move forward, keeping your chest up to stretch your back. Do it a few times. Now, let's move to Savasana or corpse pose. Gently bring your right knee up towards your chest. Use your hands to hold your shin and give it a gentle squeeze. Feel the stretch in your lower back and hip. Hold this position for a few breaths, letting your body relax into the stretch. Slowly release your right leg back down to the mat and bring your left knee up towards your chest. Again, hold your shin and gently squeeze. Notice the stretch in your lower back and hip on this side. These knee to chest stretches are great for relieving tension in the lower back and hips. From Savasana, bring your right knee up toward your chest again, but this time, place one of your hands on top of your knee. Gently rotate your knee in small circles. Feel the movement in your hip joint, keeping it gentle and smooth. Now, let's do the same with the left knee. Bring your left knee towards your chest, putting one hand on top of the knee, and gently rotate your knee in small circles. These gentle rotations can help to open up the hips, increase circulation, and provide a sense of ease and relaxation throughout the body. Now, slowly bring both knees up towards your chest, giving yourself a gentle hug. From here, gently rock your body from side to side. Feel the gentle massage along your lower back as you move. Continue this rocking motion for a few breaths. Once you finish, slowly release your knees and extend your legs back out on the mat. Take a moment to notice how your back feels. You might feel a bit more open and relaxed. Now we move to tabletop position. Begin to gently sway your hips to the left and to the right. Keep the movement slow and controlled, having your hands directly under your shoulders. Exhale, round your back, inhaling for cow and exhaling for cat pose. Move slowly between cow and cat poses with your breath. Now, tuck your toes under and lift your hips up towards the ceiling. Press firmly into your hands and create an inverted V shape with your body. Lift your right leg up towards the ceiling into three-legged dog. Bring your knee forward. Exhale and kick back towards the ceiling. And right after, lower your right shin down onto the mat for pigeon pose. Slide your left leg back, keeping your hips square to the mat. Gently lower your torso over your right leg, coming down onto your forearms all the way down to rest your forehead on the mat. Take a few deep breaths here, allowing your hips to open and release any tension. To transition out of pigeon pose, press your hands into the mat, tuck your left toes, returning to downward dog. Now, let's repeat on the other side. Lift your left leg up into three-legged dog. On your next inhale, bring your left knee forward towards your left wrist. Pay attention about what's happening in your heart. Remember, it's your own practice. Keep breathing in and out. Come back to your downward dog, pressing firmly into your hands and lifting your hips towards the ceiling. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly walk your feet towards your hands, coming into a forward fold. Allow your upper body to hang heavy, with your knees slightly bent, releasing any tension in your neck. On your next inhale, slowly begin to roll up vertebra by vertebra, coming up to a standing position in mountain pose. Raise your arms towards the ceiling. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Arms relaxed. Now, bring your hands together at your heart center in Gasho, also known as the praying position. And as you exhale, bow your head slightly and say, Namaste.
Thank you again for sharing your practice with me today. I hope you feel balanced and centered. Don't forget that yoga is a journey, and every step is progress. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you like it, and see you until next time. Namaste.